If you want to know how to unlock Cash App loans or borrow but not sure how, then this video is for you. Today in this video, we'll be guiding you on how you can unlock Cash App loans. Cash App is a comprehensive banking and investing platform that offers a balance, a card, peer-to-peer payments, and option for investing of Bitcoin and stocks. A borrow feature is also available, though it's currently being gradually rolled out. Watch the video till the end so that you don't miss out. To start, check the requirements for the borrow feature. Tap on the profile icon in the top right corner, scroll down and select support. Search the borrow to find more information about accessing this feature. Currently, Cash App Borrows feature isn't available to US residents. So, the factor that gives access to borrow feature includes, firstly, state of your residence, from which your availability may vary on your location. Secondly, your active Cash App card. Make sure you've ordered and activated a Cash App card, which also unlocks discount through Cash App's Boost feature. The next reason is Cash App users. Frequent Cash App users are most likely to access the borrow feature early. So if you want to get borrow feature, then make sure to use the Cash App more. Now, the bigger factor, direct deposit. Setting up direct deposit to a Cash App account may also increase the chance to get the borrow feature. And lastly, your credit history. A good credit history may improve your chances of getting access to borrow feature. If you've made the requirements but still don't see the borrow feature, you can contact Cash App support through the app. Simply start a chat and ask if you are eligible for the borrow feature or not. If you qualify, the borrow option will appear under more ways to add money. And that's it for this video on how you can unlock Cash App loans. Thank you for watching. If you find this video helpful, please don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more.